Now in this question, m and n are natural numbers such that n is greater than 1 and m power n is equal to 2 power 25 into 3 power 40. Then m minus n equals what? Now given question is m to the power n is equal to 2 to the power 25 into 3 to the power 40. To combine these two, to combine the right hand side expression, I need something in common. So my exponent has to be a common value. So what is the highest common value among 25 and 40? So which will be 5. So I'm going to express this as powers of 5. So this can be written as 2 power 5 to the power 5 and this is written as 3 to the power 8 to the power 5. Now using one of the law of exponent, so if a power m into b power m is given, then I can write this as a into b the whole power m. Then I can write this m power n to be what? 2 power 5 into 3 power 8 to the power 5. Now what is 2 power 5? 2 power 5 is 32 and 3 power 8 is what? 6561 to the power whole power 5. So if I multiply the base value, m power n will become what? A 20,992 to the power 5. Now we are required to calculate the value of m minus n, which is equal to a 20,992 minus 5. So the answer will be 20,947. So option C is the answer for this question.